and we're gonna read our I can statement. Let's take a look at our whiteboard, and it says today we're doing lesson 34. I can show subtraction story problems by breaking off, crossing out, and hiding a part. So when we think of part, we think of our number bond. Remember? Whole, part, part. Part, part, whole. That's what they're talking about. Landon, did you have a question? What's your question?
So, football is my favorite sport, and I play soccer, and I got a new ball that's size 3. I had a size 4 before, and also I got new red football gloves.
Oh, awesome. Thank you for sharing those. Those are cool. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Mute your microphone.
Okay.
Nope, mute your microphone. So, if you've got your whiteboards ready, here's what we're going to do. This game is called What is Less? Think of a number that is less, that means fewer, than 2. Write it on your whiteboard and hold it up. Think of a number that's less than 2 and hold it up. Ah, I see lots of friends. Some friends put 1, other friends put 0. Okay, write a subtraction sentence using that number and 2. Then hold it up.
Miss Kate, what does that mean?
Okay, so you thought of a number that was less than 2. If your number was 1, you need to write a subtraction sentence. 2 take away 1 equals what?
0?
No, you got 2. Take 1 away.
1?
Write it down. Excellent. So I'm looking, remember, the larger number 2 goes first. Take away 1 equals 1. And I saw another friend put 2, take away 0 equals 2. Awesome. All right, let's do the next one. Think of a number that is less than or fewer than 3. Erase your whiteboard and write down a number that's smaller than 3 and hold it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold it up. All right, very good. Now, write a subtraction sentence using that number and 3. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, up, up. Excellent, great job. Great job. Very good. Very, very good. Now remember, you've got to use 3. You got to use 3. So, I saw some friends do this. 3 take away 2 equals 1. I saw some friends put 3 take away 1 equals 2. And I saw some friends put 3 take away 0 equals 3. Do you see this pattern again? The whole is the same. Our parts are what changes. They count down and count up. All right. Let's do it again. Let's do the next one. Erase, erase, erase. Erase your board nice and clean. 4. Write down a number that is less than 4. and hold up your whiteboard. That means fewer. Ooh, some people wrote 3. I saw 1, 0, 0, very good. 3. Now use that number and write a subtraction sentence using 4. 4 minus what equals what? Then hold it up. You gotta write your subtraction sentence, Russell. That's good. I see your 3. Write your subtraction. Ooh, very good. Excellent. Hold it up. Good job, Landon. Good job, Russell. Excellent. Good job, friends. Okay, so I see friends putting things like this. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. 4 minus 1 equals 3. And 4 minus 0 equals 4. Those are all possible answers. Let's go ahead and erase our boards. Erase, erase, erase. Erase your board nice and clean. And let's do our next number. 5. Think of a number that is less than 5. Write it down and hold it up. I'm going to count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold up your whiteboards. Ooh, I see 4. I see 1. I see 3. I see 1. Very good. 2. Excellent. All right, now write a subtraction sentence using 5 and the number you wrote. Very good. Go ahead and do that. Excellent. So I saw a lot of friends do this. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Let me make my 2 look better. It's not a very good looking 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 1 equals 4. And 5 minus 0, 0 equals 5. Those are all possible answers. Okay, erase your board, put your lid nice and tight on your marker, and put those materials away. Then grab your handy dandy math book and open it to page, I'm going to tell you, 149. It's towards the back. 149. When you are on that page and ready, give me a double thumbs up so that I know we're ready to move on. Good job. Okay. So, in our math book, it says Tony had 8 checkers. Checkers is a game like these friends are playing at the bottom, where you have a black and red board or a black and white board and you use these little circles and you can play that game. So checkers are little circles. So Tony had 8 checkers. His friend, his friend took 3 away. So if they took it away, I'm gonna put a slash. How many checkers did Tony have left? Draw a picture and make a number bond first. Draw a picture and make a number bond. Oh, I have to get my cord out. My battery went pretty quickly.
Miss Kate, what did you say? Do you know the page number?
The page number is 149. Miss Kate's wrote it on the board. Do you see it? 149. Okay, I'm gonna do it too. Tony had 8 checkers. I'm gonna draw mine the 5 group way because that helps me keep things nice and neat and know how many I have. So I can draw a number bond. I'm gonna draw mine this way. My whole is 8 because that's how many checkers I have. Now his friend took 3 away. So I need to take 3 of them away and put that on my number bond. How many were left? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If my top row is there, then it has to be 5. 5 were left. Now I need to write a subtraction sentence. I need you all to help me do this. What do I put here in my first blank? Landon?
8.
I need to put my whole first. Thank you, Landon. What do I put in my second blank? So my whole goes here. What do I put in the second blank? Carolyn? Oh, Carolyn might be having trouble with her mute button. Oh, there you are.
It's 3. 8 minus 3 equals
Oh, don't say what it
5.
equals. Okay. Very good. So the part that I took away goes here. And the part that I have left is our answer, or the total. 5. Make sure your paper matches Miss Kate's. And then you can move your math book. You can put your pencil in your math book to hold your place and then move it to the side. And you are gonna need a whiteboard and dry erase marker. I can't remember the other materials, but Miss Emily will tell us. So let me erase my board and we'll pull up Miss Emily and get started with our lesson.
here. Today we're going to be solving subtraction problems. Let's get started. For today's lesson, you'll need your whiteboard, dry erase marker, 10 leaking cubes, and a bowl. This can just...
Okay, if you don't have a bowl, you can use your hand to hold things in. But if you want to get a bowl, I'll give you some time to go get it. Ask your mom if you can have a bowl for our lesson. Or your dad or a grown-up that's with you. And 10 small objects to count with. Good, that's perfect, Adeline. Excellent. You guys are prepared.
Miss Kate,
Yes.
I can't get a bowl because my mom is at the hospital with my dad. So I
Okay.
can't.
It's okay, sweetie. You can just use your hands for the activity.
Miss Kate,
Yes, Nicole.
I can't find my whiteboard.
Use a blank piece of paper and a pencil. All right. Let's get started.
just be a bowl from the kitchen. I know that's what I'm using. Pause the video to find your materials and press play once you found them. Take out your linking cube stick. How many cubes do you have? Show me on your fingers.
Okay, show her. How many cubes should you have? Awesome, Russell. Very good, my other friends. 10. 10 cubes are on the stick.
Now say it.
10.
That's right, 10. Now, let's break off 3 cubes from the end. 1, 2, 3. Break. And we can put the 3 cubes to the side. Now, how many do you have left? Show me with your fingers.
Okay, show her. How many do you have left now that you broke off 3? Ooh. Let's see if we're right.
Now say it. That's right, we have 7 left. Let's make a number bond about what we just did. What was our whole?
Okay,
Think.
about the whole. What was the whole? Carolyn, what was the whole?
The whole is the 10.
10 is our whole. Excellent.
Think. Say it. Yes, 10 was our whole. It was the whole amount that we started with. What are our 2 parts?
Oh, who could raise their hand and tell me that? What are the 2 parts? Are we? What are the 2 parts?
7 and 3.
7 and 3. You betcha.
Think. Say it. Yes, our 2 parts are 3 and 7. 10, 3, 7. Whole, part. Let's do the number bond with our arms all together. Arms up. Go. 10, 3, 7. Great job, friends. Now, let's draw the number bond. So let's get out our marker. And first, we'll draw the whole. We said that 10 was the whole, so we'll write the number 10. Draw a circle around it. And let's do the arms out to the side. One arm, another arm. circles for the arms, and we put in 3 and 7. Pause the video if you need more time to draw your number bond. We told our story with the cubes, with the number bond. Now, let's tell our story with the number sentence. How can we tell our story with the number sentence?
Okay, raise your hand. What do we need to do? How can we tell our story with the number sentence? Ryan?
10 equals 10 minus 3 equals 7.
You think? Okay, let's see if we're right. We're gonna need to use a subtraction sentence. So a mystery box minus a mystery box equals a mystery box. So I would write, go ahead, if you think you know the numbers, you can plug them in. If not, if you're not sure, do like what Miss Kate said. Mystery box minus mystery box equals a mystery box. And we'll fill it in. Let's see.
Lean in, and with your words, tell me what we would write.
We already
I'm
did
listening. Good, friends. We started with 10 cubes. We broke off 3, and we have 7 cubes left over. So we could say 10 take away 3 is 7, or 10 minus 3 equals 7. Let's write that down. So let's get our marker. Start with our whole of 10. Our minus sign, that's how we know it's a subtraction sentence. 3 equals, it means it's the same as 7. Let's say our number sentence all together. Ready? Go. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Great job, friends. Let's erase our boards and put the cubes away.
Okay. So just move the cubes to your side and erase, erase, erase.
Listen to my story. Ellie.
Okay, I'll give you guys another second to make sure your boards are erased so that you're able to listen. If you want to follow along, here, let me move this, up here on the board, you can do that and read. All right, let's listen carefully. Arwie, did you have a question?
I only have 8 cubes, so I'm drawing.
Oh, very good for you. I like how you problem solved. All right, let's listen carefully.
She had 9 grapes. She shared 4 grapes with a friend. How many grapes does Ellie have left? Let's show the story with pictures. Ellie had 9 grapes. Let's draw 9 grapes or circles in 5 group rows.
Okay, do it in a 5 group.
1 grape, 2 grapes, 3, 4, 5 grapes. 6, 7, 8, 9 grapes. Here are Ellie's 9 grapes. Pause the video if you need more time to draw.
I'll give us a second. Draw your 9 grapes the 5 group way.
Miss Kate,
What, Nicole?
when I draw on paper, so I don't have erasers, so I can show my mom.
Okay.
She shared 4 grapes with a friend. How could we show that with our drawing? If you have an idea, lean in and
Okay, so how do we show that she shared 4 grapes with a friend? Who could raise their hand and tell me? Adeline, how can we show that Ellie shared 4 of her grapes? How do we show that?
You can show it by circling the grapes.
You could, but that might confuse me a little bit if I put a circle around each one.
How about you doing that?
I like that. That's a great idea because that lets me know they're taken away. So Adeline said to cross them out. Let's see what Miss Emily says.
tell me your idea. I'm listening. Great idea. Let's cross out 4 grapes. So let's take our marker and cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 grapes that I'm crossing out, but you could cross out different grapes as long as it's 4. How many grapes does Ellie have left? If you know how many she has left, show me with your fingers.
Okay, hold up your hands and show how many grapes she has left. Excellent. 5 grapes.
Yes, Ellie has 5 grapes left. We crossed out 4 grapes, and now we have 5 left. We started with 9, we crossed out 4, and we have 5 left. 9, 4, 5. Whole, part, part. Let's do the number bond with our arms all together. Arms up, go. 9, 4, 5. Great job. Now that we've done the number bond with our arms, let's draw it. Pause the video and draw your number bond. Make sure to...
Okay, so we're going to draw the number bond. We don't need to label a number bond anymore. I know if I draw my number bond this way, you could draw yours a different way if you want to. That this is my hole and these are my 2 parts. What goes in the hole? 5, 4, or 9? What goes in the hole? Can someone help me? Smriti.
9.
9 is my hole. So I need to put 9 in the hole. Well, what about my 2 parts? What are they going to be? Who can help me figure out my 2 parts? Russell?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. How am I going to know which part I took away? What can I do to help me remember which part is taken away? What could I do that could help me remember that? Nicole?
Cross it out.
Which one? 5 or 4?
4.
4, because that's what I took away. This looks right to me. Let's see what Miss Emily thinks. See if we're right.
to put the numbers in the whole and the parts. We can also tell our story with a subtraction sentence. How would we write a subtraction sentence about what we just did? Lean in and with your words, tell me what we would write.
Okay, so without giving me the numbers, I want you guys to help me label my subtraction sentence, but don't tell me the numbers. Let's see who can do that. What goes in my first box in front of the equal sign, or in front, I'm sorry, of the minus or takeaway sign? Are we?
9.
Don't tell me the number. Tell me what it's called. The whole. So the whole is going to go here. What's going to go after the whole? I want someone to help me. Carolyn, what goes after the whole?
The parts.
Which part? The part with the cross out, or the part?
Yes.
Oh,
Cross out.
the part that's crossed out or taken away. And what's going to go as my total, or the same as the answer? Jonyan, what am I going to put here? The part that isn't crossed out, right? Our second part, but the one that isn't crossed out. That lets me know how many are left. Go ahead and plug in your numbers. Put the numbers from the number bond into your subtraction sentence. Let's see if we're right.
Right. I heard 9 take away 4 is 5, or 9 minus 4 equals 5. Pause the video and write the subtraction sentence. Great job, friends. Let's say it all together. Ready? Go.
9 minus 4 equals 5.
Now let's erase our boards.
Erase, erase, erase. Erase your board nice and clean. Do it really fast.
Take out your...
Now I'm going to pause the video to give us some time to erase. Now everyone should be done erasing. Okay, she's going to tell us to take out something. I wonder if it's cubes. So make sure your board is nice and clean. Let's listen to what we're going to take out.
Bowl.
Oh, your bowl.
And your cubes. Let's put our cubes in 5 group rows.
Whoa, she's doing it super fast. So I'm going to pause the video because she's on super speed. And then we'll see. So she's putting all 10 cubes in 5 group rows. Go ahead and do that now and kind of have your bowl underneath, just like her. When you're done doing that, give me a thumbs up so that I know you're ready to move on. You could always draw the bowl underneath and draw the 5 cubes if you don't have any objects or a bowl. If you have objects but not a bowl, just put them in your hand when it's time to put them in the bowl. Adeline, I see you've got your bowl, but make sure you put your cubes the 5 group way. Go ahead and do that really fast. I'm going to count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5, 1. Okay.
Today, our cubes are going to be bears. How many bears do you have? Show me with your fingers.
Okay, hold up your hands. How many bears?
That's right, we have 10 bears. And we can see the 10 bears as two groups or rows of 5 in our 5-group rows. There are 10 bears. 4 bears went to sleep in a cave. They were sleepy. How many bears do you have left? To find out, let's hide 4 of the sleepy bears underneath our bowl. Pretend the bowl is a cave. So let's turn the bowl over and take 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 of our sleeping bears, and let's let them sleep in the cave. We hid them. How many bears do we have left? Point to the bears that are still left. Yes, and we know that this is 6 because we see the group of 5, the row of 5, 5, 6. So we know there are 6 bears left. 10, 4, 6. Whole, part, part. I just did the number bond with my arms, but I want you to draw the number bond. Pause the video and draw the number bond, writing in the parts and the whole.
Okay, so go ahead, draw your number bond somewhere on your whiteboard. Don't forget to put in the parts and the whole and to cross out the part that's sleeping in the cave. When you've done this, put your hands on your head. That lets me know you're ready to move on. Grant, mute your microphone, buddy. It's unmuted. Okay, great. Let's take a look.
Great job. In our number bond, we see the 10 bears all together, the 4 that went to sleep in the cave, and the 6 that are still there. Now, let's tell our story in a number sentence. Pause the video and write a number sentence to tell about our story.
Okay, remember your number sentence. I'm not going to do it this time, but we have our mystery boxes. And this number bond is going to go in the mystery boxes. Think about where each number belongs in each mystery box. Ryan, did you have a question? Or you just wanted to?
No.
Okay.
I want to answer the question if I know it.
Okay. We'll see. Let's watch real quick. All right. I'm going to erase here, and we'll see what Miss Emily puts.
Great job, friends. Let's read our number sentence all together. Ready, go. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Friends, we did a number bond and a subtraction sentence for each of our problems today. How were the number bonds and subtraction sentences related?
Okay. So when she asks a question like that, how were the number bond and the subtraction sentence related? That means how are they the same? How are the number bond and the subtraction sentence the same? Who could answer that question? How are they the same? Ryan, how are they the same?
The whole is the same.
The whole is the same in both, and the parts are the same. We just use our number bond, which is this. Remember, in our number bond, we have the whole and the part, and one of the parts is gone. And in our number sentence, we have our mystery boxes, and we're just taking those same parts of the number bond, the whole, the part, and the other part, and we're just putting it into a number sentence. A number bond is the same thing as a number sentence. One is just written as a bond, as a number bond, and the other one is written as a subtraction sentence or equation. Okay, let's go ahead and get out our handy dandy math books. And let's take a look. Your math book is going to be on page 151 and 152. Oh, look at the cute little babies. It's asking us to fill in the number bond and the number sentences. Okay, let's look here at our first one. There were 9 babies playing. 2 of the babies crawled away. How many babies are left? Here, our number sentence shows us the whole and the part that are crawling away. We need to figure out the total, or the part that's left. Can you show me on your fingers how many babies are left? Awesome. 7. 7 babies are left. That one was pretty easy. They did all the work for us. Let's take a look at this one underneath. This time it says there were 10 babies playing, and 1 crawled away. How many babies are left? Well, we need to make our own number bonds. I think I'm going to make mine like this with the 2 arms. And our number sentence. Who can help me? How do I fill in my number bond? Landon?
You put 10 minus
Well,
1
the number,
equals 9.
yeah, but in the number bond, what do I do?
This case, I can't find the page.
Okay, hold on. Landon, hold on 1 second. She's looking for the page. It's page 151, and it looks like this. It's towards the back of your book. Remember, we're in module 4. You got it? Okay. Sorry, Landon. Go ahead. How
We
can
do
you,
9,
where do I put the 9?
9, 1, and 10.
Okay.
So the 10 goes in the hole, and the 2 parts are 9 and 1.
Awesome. And then I can put my 2 parts in the parts. Oh, wait a minute. Well, yeah. Is that right? 10 minus 9 equals 1? Does that match?
No.
No.
10 minus 1 equals 9.
Oh, I need to make sure I cross out the part that crawled away. So so that I know where to put it in my number sentence. Thank you, Landon. All right. Now, let's take a look at this one at the bottom. And we're going to try this all on our own. There were 9 babies playing. 6 crawled away. How many babies are left? Finish the number bond and the number sentence all by yourself. When you're done, raise your hand. DJ, did you have a question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I saw you raising your hand. All right, I've got some friends that are finishing up. Still see some friends working, and that is okay. Landon, sweetie, mute your mic for me. I think you forgot to mute it. Thank you. Adeline, help me finish this number bond. I've got my whole. What am I going to put in my 2 parts?
What you're going to put in your 2 parts is 3 and 6.
Good. Now, how do I know which one to cross out? How many crawled away? Look at your picture. How many are crawling away? 3 or 6?
6.
Yeah. Good job. Now I need someone to read the number sentence to me so I make sure I have that right. DJ, can you read the number sentence to me? DJ. Read the number sentence to me.
Which one?
Which one?
Down at the bottom, the last one. Read me the number sentence.
There are 9 babies.
There are 9 babies.
Not that one, sweetie. Tell me the equation.
Always.
What's the equation
Oh,
need to
she
say?
wants you to read the number.
9.
9.
And
Take away.
take away the 6
Yes.
And then what's your last number?
and 3.
Equals 3. Excellent. Thank you, DJ. So 9 minus 6 equals 3 babies left sitting. Good job, friends. Let's turn our page and look at the back. Let's take a look. It says the squares below represent a cube stick. Carlos had a 9 stick. He broke off 4 cubes to share with his friends. How many cubes are left? Draw a line to show where he broke his stick. So I'm going to count. Here's a 9 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did he break off? Show me with your fingers. Good. 4. So I'm going to break off 4. I'm going to start at the end, but you could break off at the beginning if you wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where he broke them off. Now, we need to fill in our number bond and number sentence. Go ahead and do that, and then raise your hand if you'd like to share. Estelle, can you read the number bond to me?
5.
5. Oh, okay. 5. And what's the other part?
4.
4. What's my number sentence going to say, Estelle?
The same.
Well, okay, so I put 5 take away 4 equals 9. Is that right? No.
You put 9 at where the 5.
9 take away how many? 4.
4.
And our total is?
5.
Excellent. Okay. Let's do this one together, and then the last one you're going to do on your own. Our next number story says, Sophia had 10 grapes. She ate 6 grapes. How many grapes are left? Draw her grapes. Cross off the one she ate. I'm going to draw mine the 5 group way. It helps me keep track. How many grapes did she eat? 5? 1? Oh, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're ready to fill in our number bond and our number sentence. Nicole, have you done this problem already? You need to complete it. Anya, what am I going to put in my number bond?
4.
Where? In the part or the whole?
In the part.
Okay, and what do I put in the whole?
10.
10, excellent. So what will my number sentence say? Nicole, can you tell me the number sentence?
Yes. 6.
6.
No, 10. I got mixing up.
Okay, 10.
Take away.
Take away.
6.
6
Equals 4.
equals 4. Excellent. Great work. Now I want you all by yourself to complete this bottom number story. Miss Cates will read it to you and you do it on your own. If you feel like you can go ahead and leave, you can sign out and leave and complete the problem on your own. Don't forget to submit both these pages. Spot had 10 bones. He hid 8 bones in the ground. How many bones does he have now? Draw Spot's bones. Instead of drawing bones, I would draw circles. So draw Spot's bones and then fill in the number bond and the number sentence. If you feel comfortable with that, you can go ahead and sign out silently. Those of you that feel like you need to stay, you can stay and I'll help you if you need help.
Miss Kate,
Yes,
how many bones did he have?
Spot had 10 bones.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Estelle, why are you having a
No.
bowl on your head like
Honey, Anya, we're not talking right now because we have friends that are working.
I'm already done with both of these pages.
Okay, honey, then silently sign off. I'll see you for listening and learning. Bye-bye.